Hey. What up, y'all? I'm gonna fade her out a little bit here. All right. What's up, y'all? How y'all living? How's everybody doing? Tuesday. Y'all know what's up. This is an old school Wu-Tang feel. All right. I feel it. I feel it. All right. Already got a live here. So, real quick, let me check my messages and then off we go. Um, let's do it. Let's do it. What say you? All right. So far, we got a whopping 6 people in here. Whatever, I don't care. David XRP, what's up, my guy? Moonrider, as always, what's up? Darth, Jeremy, Frank, what's up? Got my vodka ready. Oh, God, dog it. Yeah, bro, it's going to be a long night. I can feel it. I can feel it. All right, let me shoot this to the Telegram everywhere real quick. And then we'll go to the other ones. And one more. Let's hit it over here. We got a lot of interesting charts to go over tonight. I found some interesting info, as well as some interesting info from other people. So, we'll see what happens. You know what I mean? Let me get it over to the other group real quick. All right. All right. Shoot back over here to the Assassins group. That way, if everybody messages me, we know. All right. What's up, Nick? What's up, Millie Rock? What's up, Mr. RWM from the Forex group? Glad to have you, my guy. All right. I got the whiskey glass. Uh-oh. I got my sphere ice. Let's go. You know what? I tried to get them to freeze. I got home at like 6:30, and the sphere ice is really dense, so it didn't want to freeze right. So I only got 1 cube that's in account, and I just have regular ice cubes to make up the difference. So, you know. All right. Y'all know the drill. We do any chart anytime. I don't care what the chart is. No hopium. 100% technical analysis for anybody who's new. Glad to have y'all. Please drop your name, drop a comment, all that good stuff. We do this for free, 100%. Let's get some stuff pulled up for everybody. Ah, yes. Ah, yes. All right. I got some stuff I want to go over. First, let's start with. Hold up 1 second. Let's adjust this stuff real quick. Sometimes this stuff gets out of adjustment for me, and I don't know why it does it, but occasionally it happens. So I have to go in and change stuff around. So that's what's happened. Hold up. Let me adjust. Okay. Just bear with me here. All right, there's that. Much better. Anybody who hasn't, please go like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little notification bell so you never miss a notification. That'd be awesome for everybody. You don't miss, I don't miss, nobody misses anything. It works out great. You know what I'm saying? Just do it. Do it for the fam. Do it for the culture and all that good stuff. So, I got this, I got the death scotch back out because y'all want me to die. while I don't owe a drink, I am going to have a drink because Ark pointed out to me on Telegram. We were talking a little bit earlier. I missed on INJ, Injective Protocol. He actually sent me a message telling me to get in on it, and I didn't. I missed out, and whenever I miss out, I take a shot for it. RWM, I'm going to shoot you this here. If you would, send it over to the Discord channel over there, because I don't have it. Oh, what did I do? Hold up. I messed the comments up somehow. Let me figure out how to get the comments back up. Whoop. All right. Well, how did I do that? How did I get the comments took off? I got to figure it out. Hold up. Full screen. I don't want to do that. I don't know what's happening right now. Everything's going full crazy over here. Wait on a second here. There we go. I think that's back up now. A little bit of a glitch. A little bit of a glitch. A little bit of a glitch. All right, so Ark put me on to INJ, Injective Protocol, and I missed on it. Here you go, RWM. Now it'll work. Shoot that over there to the Discord group if you would. I'm going to have a drink, and I'm drinking slower tonight because let me explain something to y'all. Last round, Keith got plastered. Okay, and I was ruined, and I had to try to get up and go to work the next morning, and it was an absolute nightmare. I have no idea how I made it through the day. Somebody, I just, whatever. Anyway, let's have a drink on that, and a slow drink. A slow drink. All right. We're going to drink some water tonight, too. Why? Because I don't want to die. I'm going to try to drink at least this whole bottle of water. All right. So, I want to go over a couple of them real quick first. Let's do... All these are the coins that we wrote down from last stream that we thought may or may not be in a good position to go up or down. We weren't sure. So, decided just to write them all down one at a time. And I want to go back through all of them and see if we can find the ones that did or didn't do well. Let's look through the comments real quick. Make sure we got everybody in here. Pepper, what's up? Electric Ken, my man. What's up with the skid? Tar Heels wrong. Lose 2 and barely scrape by. Man, they're young, bro. They got a whole team of freshmen and sophomores. It's all gravy. They'll be fine. They'll be fine. It's cool. It's cool. UNCC. They got a whole team of Central. They got a whole team of seniors. Iowa, number 3 team in the nation. They went toe to toe with them. It's all good. They'll be all right. Let's see. I'm going to ask you to look at band, Zeal, audio, and algo. That's fine. I'll do them. What about that INJ chart suggested that it was going to pop? We'll go over that, Nick, right here in a second because I have to. I'm bound because I fucked that one up. Danny Carney, what's up, guy? Thank you, RWM. That was one hell of a slow drink. Listen, it ain't gonna be like it last time, okay? So first, let's look at the Bitcoin here. The Bitcoin. I'm gonna do something else for y'all tonight. I'm only gonna use the 821 EMAs, and I'm only gonna use the cloud all night long. Why? Because after charting a day, I kind of realized you really don't need everything on the screen all the time. I already knew that, but the point is, you can get simplistic with stuff here and not overdo it. You know what I mean? Just don't overdo it. But there's no reason to go crazy here and add 500 different things to the screen. There's just not. It kind of jumbles it up, first of all. It's going to frustrate you that there's so many things on the screen at one time that you're going to get irritated and not want to look at it as much. And if you're using your phone like I do a lot of times and you're trying to like drag with your thumbs, the indicators get in the way sometimes and it's kind of hard to push buttons. I noticed that. It annoys me. Still got music playing. Hold up. I just now realized. All right. All right. There we go. So anyway, it's hard for my ADHD to get past too many lines. I know, right? I'm the same way, dude. It's cool though because it keeps a lot of stuff up there for me, and I don't know, my brain processes a little better that way. Anyway, again tonight only 821 and cloud because I was talking to Dre, and I'm like, man, you really don't need anything else. You got the 8 and 21 to tell you to buy to sell, and you got the cloud to give you confirmation. Is it long? Is it short? It's not really that complicated, okay? So anyway, real quick, I forgot to mention, I do have my special tool that we talked about that I would have. I want to show it to everyone and explain how it works. So we all know, I think it's common knowledge by now, that these algos that were watching us all the time, and these things constantly change every time we say certain keywords like Ripple coin, and then we mention a price, the algorithms cause things to change, right? And this causes us to be screwed. All right, so I've come up with the way to fix that, I believe. And I want to share it with you guys and girls, if Zimzers, if you're a Zimzer, I'm cool with that too, whatever you call yourself. But anyway, let's share that with you now. This is going to remind you of something else, but it's not, okay? Don't get it confused, okay? I got it here. I'm going to describe how it works, okay? What I found out is the algo is either off, or it could be sitting still, or it could be moving in 3 different speeds, okay? So right now the algo is off, but what I'm going to do here, and I don't want you guys to not realize that I know the wires aren't hooked up, but that doesn't matter. I can hook them up, okay? But what I can do is actually turn the algo on, okay? Which I'm going to do now. All right? I got the algo turned down into the slowest position possible right now, okay? I know some of you are going to look at this and say, Keith, I'm not stupid. That looks like a shifter, a Hurst quarter stick shifter for a Turbo 400 transmission. And I would say that you're wrong because the algos knew you were going to say that, okay? So right now I got the algos in the slowest speed possible, and I'm going to keep them there. And I don't have the wires hooked up yet because I don't want the algos to see what speed I'm at yet, because I'm going to change the algo speeds tonight. I'm going to sit this right here next to the liquor because, liquor. And if we need to, we'll hook the wires up. If we need to, we'll do it. Like what Darth said right here, okay? No joking around. This is serious shit, okay? This is very, very serious stuff. Hardcore serious stuff, okay? No more games. Just focus in. Let's get locked in here. I'm trying to keep a straight face, y'all. I swear to God I am. but I'm going to have a hard time. I don't even care. But, you know, by the way, we've got the super chat turned on. If anybody donates, I'll be donating all the money to a coworker I have that's going through a bunch of shit with cancer, leukemia, and he's had corona family problems at least 3 times that I know of. So anybody who donates, the money will be going there. Also, if you don't have any merch, go over to the Redbubble site. Description is in the video. The description is in the bottom down there. There's a link to the Redbubble site. You can get a T-shirt, a hoodie, a laptop cover, a poster, whatever you'd like. They're all in there. Everything's for sale, and they get it to you pretty reasonably timed. All the prices are pretty reasonable. I don't make much off those, and what I do make, we give away. Simple as that, okay? I don't take any money from y'all. Plus, we get all kind of cool merch out there to everybody. We can look at the merch before the end of the stream. So, all right, so I got Bitcoin pulled up here. I don't want to show you. Pulling a fib on this from the top down. We were watching this today, and I was looking at it going, oh gosh, this thing is going to break 786 and stop. Well, it actually got over 786 as we see here, but it hasn't kept going yet, and it's kind of almost looks like it wants to hold 786, but it's not yet, okay? So I want to keep an eye on this, because if this can get going, I mean, I've had this same fib set here for a while at, you know, right at 21.5, 21.4, somewhere around in there. Coincidentally enough, that's near the pivot line, which I don't have pulled up right now, because like I said, I'm going to choose cloud and 8 and 21 all night. But even if we pulled like the big, huge fib on the whole thing, then we'd see that roughly 21.5 was a major fib line either way. 21.4, 21.5 was a major area no matter what. So again, I'm getting kind of like double confirmation that 21.5 might be the spot up here. So we'll see. And it's going to hit all-time high again here. And when it does, we're going to dance with the devil for a little bit, all right? So again, this is the all-time high line right here, 19.89, but depending on the exchange, some of it was 20,020, some of it was 20,400. Either way, right at 20,000 is going to be the all-time high line, all right? So we're going to keep watching this no matter what. We know that Bitcoin is still the king, unfortunately, whether we like it or not. Bitcoin dominance looked like it was going to drop, and it actually pushed up a little bit right there and kept going. So thin ice. We're on thin ice. Either way, that's Bitcoin, and I don't want anybody to take their eyes off of it. It is right on the edge right now of making a move up or down. So downside 1910, 1900. Upside 21.5. So I think upside is far outweighing the downside right now. And if you were going to risk it, it's like I said, I think it's a good, decent play right now. Let's get it to Ripple Coin real quick. And I know everybody wants to know about Ripple Coin all the time. But when we were here last stream, we were just working on this red candle. And look what happened since then. Just gone. Actually, it was this one. All right, and it's nothing but go down since then. Nothing but go down since then. We're still riding this channel. We're actually breaking the channel now a little bit. We got the VWAP up here. I'll take that off. It's fine. If we look at the cloud, this is the interesting part. It's just now a sell on the cloud. Okay. Lag line touching the candles. That's a sell. Conversion line breaking through the baseline. That's a sell. We still have a green candle out front, a green cloud out front, and the price is still over the cloud. All right, because this leads me to think that we're either going to push sideways here into the cloud and under. Alternatively, can we bounce off the bottom of this channel and move up? Yes, either one of these are still in play, okay? But the cloud says sell right now. This cloud does not say buy. Now, this kind of also leads me to believe that we're going to run into the bottom of the cloud under here and right under here. Okay, I just feel that way based on the fact that it's a sale, it's broken the bottom of the channel, and the cloud isn't far over here to the right with plenty of space up underneath it, okay? Makes me think that's what's going to happen. Now, obviously, I can't predict the future. That's idiotic to try, But, I mean, we can all see that. We can all see that, right? I can see it. You can see it. So, let's be smart about this. Let's not make any rash decisions. I'm already out of this one. You might have saw the thumbnail on the beginning of the video, but I sold this. Why did I sell? I sold this green candle right here. Why did I sell? I figured this was going to happen. I've been let down so many times by Ripple Coin. Okay? So many times. I got my Spark stuff or Flare stuff, whatever. I'm not going to whine. I've already moved into other projects, and we can go over those in a little bit here. Either way, Ripple Coin is just kind of floating with nothing right now. Could it be at support? Yes, it can be. Okay? Support. Will it hold? Likely to find out one way or the other, aren't we? I'm not convinced yet. If I were to pull up the other moving averages, you'd see the 200 moving averages way down here at 30 cents. That happens to be the historical resistance level that we broke, that we never tested. Okay, so is it possible we go all the way back down to 30 cents? Yes. Probability right now, 15%. As we go along, we can increase or decrease said probability. But right now, that's what I see. Let's see. Hold up. This is not clown school. No laughs. What Darth just said. Nobody laugh. That black pullover with the 786 logo on the back is the truth. Oh, yeah, the black hoodie. Yeah, dude. A couple people have the same one, the black with the green skull. That was actually designed by Andrew. So whenever we see him again, we'll give him props. By the way, if y'all haven't hit like yet, please do so. All you gotta do is just scroll over there real quick and, hit it one time like that. Bloop. Just go over there and subscribe real quick. And the more subscribes and likes we get, the more likely we are to have more and more people come in. And the more and more people we have come in, the more money that gets donated, the more money we can give away. Again, I don't do this to take y'all's money. We do this to make money for the world, not for myself. I don't want anybody's money. I'm doing great on my own. Let's see. Kind of looks like a head and shoulders on Bitcoin. Kinda. What's the ticker on that? Not going to happen, Frank. Do you use the Ichimoku cloud or I use both, Nick, but I've just been using the regular cloud lately. I kind of found out that I almost like the regular cloud a little better because it does move a little slower. And the 8 and 21 moves rapid enough for me to be able to look at it and go, this. And the cloud tends to move a little slower, obviously. But even though it moves slower, it kind of helps me confirm my suspicions one way or the other or prove me wrong one way or the other, which we're going to get into also. I haven't got my prescription glasses. I hear you. How much BTC do I need to send to the moon shifter to get? It takes at least to move this to the next speed. Takes at least $5 worth of super chat donation, and I can't do anything about it. We can't change the speed of the algo until we raise money for cancer help for a needy family. I can't do anything else about it. There's also a Mad Dog fund going right now. If you want me to drink Mad Dog, I ain't doing that shit without some damn donations. That shit ain't gonna happen. Because Mad Dog will put me down. Let's see. My ex. Oh, okay. Ichimoku Cloud, the Zen Master. I'm new to crypto. Have you heard of? Y'all are slick though. I see what's up. How about that gym that gave great head last night? Oh God, Forest Plus. We're gonna go into that too. She was a quick first date, wasn't she? Wasn't it nice? Chi-Town, what's up, my guy? Let's see. BT showing the dominance again. Unfortunately, yeah, the dominance has been slowly going up the entire time. Um, Moon shifter. Yeah, bro, we can put it to the moon. That's what this moon shifter does. It'll put it to the moon, my guy. We just have to shift it in. I can't do it. Hey, what's up, Dre? My mellow. Bro, Dre, see, Dre's from the same area I am. So he knows about the Indian stores. He knows about the Indian stores that have the Mad Dog 2020 right next to the energy pills and the dick pills and the lottery tickets. Hey, Dre, have you been to the Circle K gas station over there on what on Tyvola near near the tall hotel where they sell the Maseratis and shit? Maseratis and Porsches and Ferraris and shit over there. You know that place I'm talking about. Have you been to that Circle K across the street? Because if you have, let me know. Because they got knockoff liquor and they changed the names a little bit. And I thought about buying some just because. Like instead of Patron, it's like, oh God, it's like it's like Terrapin or something like that. Okay, well anyway, you ain't been there. They got fake liquor instead of Fireball. It's called like Cannonball or some stupid shit like that. But they changed the names a little bit, and the Indian store is selling them. And I thought, damn, I better get in there and get some of that fake liquor. That shit looks hilarious to me. So I might buy some just to buy some. I'll probably get sick as hell, but it'll happen. So, all right. So, all right, that was Ripple Coin. Now, what I wanted to show you was what me and Dre were talking about earlier because we were seeing the same thing here on XLM. I can say XLM and I have to take a shot. It's nice. We were watching the 4 hour here, but the interesting thing is it didn't break through, and instead of breaking through, it actually fell flat. And we both thought it was going to go, but it didn't, which was kind of sad. I was expecting this thing to go, man. The daily is still not a sale on XLM. It's still just kind of jogging sideways, close, but no go yet. And instead of actually going, man, it did this damn dippity do number. It got up here like it was going to push through, and then it stopped. I'm like, man, come on. I actually bought some XLM. I haven't sold it yet. I don't think it's time to sell it quite yet. I don't want to panic. But either way, I didn't lose as much with XLM as if I had have still kept it in Ripple Coin. So it's cool. I'm not even going to stress on it. I think things are sideways or up. I don't see a ton of down across the board. Either way, it came close to breaking through and being a buy, but it never did. Okay, I forget which time frame it was. It wasn't 2 hour. It wasn't 1 hour. Anyway, Algorand, same way. Almost a buy, but not quite. The lag line hasn't broken through the cloud right here yet. Okay, that needs to come up. And also the blue line needs to be over top. The blue line needs to be over top of the red line. That's conversion line over the baseline. Okay, that needs to happen, and then this is a buy on the daily. Now 4 hour. Close, but not yet. Got a green cloud, blue over red. We just need this lag line to get up here. Okay, hasn't done it yet, but it could. Oh, what's up, Moonrider? It's for the Super Shifter Cancer Fund, bro. That's awesome. I will make sure that Jose gets this money, and I'm not sure if he'll be happy or not, or sad or what, but we're gonna find out one way or the next. The kratom pipes, bro. The Indian store has a ton of those. It's Pardon instead of Partron. Oh my God, that's right. That's exactly what it is. Y'all must have the same stuff. Oh God, is that shit that's been killing in the Dominican Republic? That's it. Is that the stuff? Whoa, I'm definitely gonna get it then. I guess Mad Dog's considered a wine. Yeah, it's considered a wine, but my buy-in was right here. This green line. I'll even show you. I'm down just a little bit. Right there's my buy. 17.5. That's where I bought. It hasn't turned into a sale yet. It's flirting with it. If it can't hold this, it's going to be a sale, and I'll pitch it out and lose the small amount of money that I'll be losing, and we'll reassess and try something else. Whatever, no sweat. I'm not going to stress on it. RWM, my guy. Thank you, sir. 5 bones. I will make sure Jose gets that 5 bones. Let's see. Yep. Okay. So, what have I bought? I bought XLM. I also bought Algorand. Even though it's not exactly a buy on the cloud, it's really close. The things that we're looking for on the cloud to be a buy are 4 things, okay? We'll go over them real quick. We'll list them out right here on this Algorand chart. 4 rules to the cloud, okay? Rule 1. Price over cloud. Rule number 2. Conversion line over base line. All right, that's rule number 1. That's rule number 2. Rule number 3. Rule number 3. Far right cloud needs to be green. Rule number 4, the final rule. Lag line over cloud. Okay. So there's your 4 simple rules, excuse me, to cloud trading. All right. It sounds complicated, but it's not. Okay. It looks a little messy, and you look at it and it gets a little distraught to your eyes or whatever and throws you off, but it's not that big a deal. Okay. I'll erase the extra stuff so we don't even have it. So this is it. We've got the conversion line, which is the blue line. All right. We've got the baseline, which is the red line. Okay. Again, that was one of our rules, but let's start with the first rule. Is the price over the cloud? Yes, it is. The price is over the cloud here. So what we'll do is we'll put our little symbols up here. And let's pick a check mark. If I can find it real quick. There it is. Check mark to the first one. Second one, conversion line over baseline. That one we don't have yet. Okay? So we're going to put an X for that one till we get it. We don't have it. It's actually the opposite, okay? The baseline is over the conversion line. We need those to switch. Okay, that may take a bit, all right? So, again, that's kind of the way the cloud works. It pulls it back and makes you wait. Can't do anything about it, okay? Rule number 3, the far right cloud. Is it green? Actually, it sure is. So, we get a check mark for that one. And the 4th rule is the lag line over the cloud. Well, it most certainly is not. Okay, look right here. Lag line is in the cloud, not over it. It needs to be up over it. So, if you're trading with the cloud, Algorand on a daily time frame is a no. It's that simple. Yes or no. Not maybe, not possibly. Yes or no. Now, does the cloud cost you? Yes, it does, because you probably should have bought down here somewhere. And the cloud told you to wait to be safe. All right, the cloud keeps you from waiting on this sideways trading here. The cloud stops you in that. Okay, the cloud tells you not to buy that. It tells you to wait until it's clear of the sideways action. That's the beauty of the cloud. A lot of times you get caught up in a trade, you don't want to get out of it because you've been sitting in it so long. All right, well, this frees up liquidity. Okay, this puts money in your wallet that you can move around and do something with. Otherwise, you'd be stuck. You'd be glued to it. Okay. Well, this way you're not glued to it. This way you can move around and get things done, and you can move your money to a different one. You can pull it out and go to that one. You could put it in a futures trade, whatever. I don't care. You could leverage it, whatever you'd want to do. But you can't get stuck in sideways trades. All right, that sucks. Now, on a 4-hour time frame, this may be different. Let's reevaluate. Here a bit. 4 hours. Price is not above the cloud. Nope. We do have a green cloud. Yes, so we've got one check mark. Lag line is not over the cloud. Nope. And the baseline is actually under the conversion line. The conversion is over the base. That's good. So we have 2 out of 4 on the 4 hour also. Still not a buy. Still not a buy. So it's telling us to wait. All right. Beauty of the cloud. It tries to tell you to stop. You just got to pay attention and listen. Okay. All right. So that's Algorand. That's how the cloud works. And let's pay attention to it and let's use it because it's extremely valuable and extremely helpful. Oh, Darth, my man, 5 bones. I will make sure that this goes to the proper gentleman. I'm sure of it. Thank you, bro. All right, let's see. My worst best buy-in on XLM was 4 cent, worst 8. What was you doing a few months ago, and how was XLM not on the radar? Oh, no. I've been buying and selling XLM for a while. I sold XLM when it peaked out. Been there, done that. I just recently got back into it based on the fact that it finally hit support and looked like it was going to stop going sideways. So it's nothing like that. I'm married to no coins, Moonrider, nothing. I long hold some stuff, and I keep that separate, and I only trade that weekly. But anything else, I buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. I'm married to nothing. I refuse to be. I refuse to be stuck in a coin because I'm emotionally attached to it. I have zero emotions when it comes to this shit. Okay, zero. Just all there is to it. Let's see. So my position on Algo bought at 24.50. Should that be sold? 24.50? Man, no, not yet. Once it breaks on the bottom of this cloud, you can talk about it, but not yet. If you were going to sell on the cloud, Moonrider, I'll give you a good example for a sale. All right? So let's reverse all this stuff. If you're going to short, here's how you use the cloud to short. So instead of looking for the principles to be positive, we're going to look for the principles to be negative, okay? So price over the cloud, we're going to look for the price to be under the cloud. Is it? Most definitely is not under the cloud. Conversion over baseline, so we're going to look for the opposite, baseline over conversion. Now, that is a positive if you're going to short. Far right cloud needs to be green, so we're actually going to be looking for red in order to short it. It's not red. It's very much green. And then the lag line over the cloud. Well, we're still in the cloud, so that's going to be a no also. But we would need it to be under the cloud down here so we could short it. Fair enough? There you go. That's how you would short Algo. So it's not even a short right now. Could it be a sale? Yeah, it could if you want to get touchy, but you're in a really good position on it. So it's really up to you. You're not forced to sell here. You're over the cloud. You still have cloud support. So it's really up to you. And right now it's actually a daily buy if we look at the 8 and the 21 EMA. So, there we go. Hit the wrong button. Hit that old F10 right there. My fault. Let's pull that back out here. All right, so let's take the cloud off and pull our 8 and 21 back up. And as you see, the 8 and the 21, this is a buy. We shouldn't be trying to sell this at all right now because the 8 and the 21 moves a little faster. And since the 8 and the 21 moves faster, I want to use that as my first keynote as far as buying and selling. And I want to use my cloud as confirmation. All right. I don't have cloud confirmation as an up or a down right now. So I'm unfortunately stuck on just this one. I could use the others, yes. But I'm only going to use this one for the night with the cloud. Those two back and forth. So no, I wouldn't sell this right now if I were you. I would absolutely hang on to it. This thing has massive potential. Let me show you. I was actually chastised for showing this in other groups. All right, so June 19, you see this up here. I've got it labeled for you as June 19. See that? Date on the bottom left-hand corner down here, June 19. Just to make sure we got the prices correct, let's go to CoinMarketCap here and make sure. Make sure we got all of our stuff correct. And then we're not guessing at price, because sometimes the chart price is a little different than the actual price, right? All right, so all-time high, $3.28. See, that's a little high. 328. There you go. All right, so this is the little box here that I've noticed on multiple other coins has been hit or breached or broken. So I'll show you what I mean. We'll use OMG. Look, same point through the week. Let's do the weekly. It's a little bit better to look at. June 19, same box, and the price went up over it, settled back down on top, and rode out, right? Okay, beautiful. We watched OMG do this, and everybody was trying to jump in, and you missed. Doesn't matter, okay? So don't sweat it. There's others. What about Zeal? Same thing. Right here's June 19. As you see, we've actually broken the price and got over the top of it. ZRX. June 19, over top of it. KNC. June 19, way up over top of it. Look at that thing go. It's way up here. Either way, breached the red box, tested it, and took off. Matic, it's a little different, but it's still up there. ADA, same thing. June 19, breached it and took off. I show you all this to show you Algorand. Look how much room there is to that red box. Am I all alone here? Am I the asshole who thinks that can't happen? Why would you tell someone not to share this chart as a possibility? Just a possibility. I mean, look. Shoulder, head, shoulder. You telling me that can't happen? Are you kidding me? That's gonna happen. Now, the interesting thing is, when we pull a percentage on it, and look how much percentage is available. $900%. 900%. Are you entertained? Are you not entertained? I'll drink to that. Because I didn't miss Algorand, okay? I didn't miss it. And I won't miss it. Is it currently a daily buy using the 8 and the 21? Yes. Is it a cloud buy? No, it is not. So let's beware. Let's play it smart here. Rug, what's up, my guy? Been talking to him on the side. Hey, man, dad shit been popping off. You're preaching to a dad here, so I know all about it. Do your thing, guy. Do your thing. Pops, what's up? We'll look at Litecoin for you. I know that's your joint. Let's see. Based on it, it could go sideways, or is a low price good enough to get? I definitely would hold on to that Moonrider. I wouldn't do it all. This is. God dang it. This is for my XRP. There you go, done. Whew. Hey, this shit hits different tonight. Whew. I gotta slow down. I gotta slow down. Y'all don't know, this scotch put me the fuck down last time. What my girlfriend said to me was, "You're a poor kid. Why are you drinking expensive liquor? You should be drinking poor liquor and you won't be feeling that way. That expensive liquor, that good shit's too much for you." I'm starting to think it might be. Whew. But there, see, okay. If you want to put that in the super chat, then I'm gonna fucking read it. But that sucks, okay? All right, so either way, 1,000% is available. This isn't the only chart that I have that looks similar to that, okay? Long down the road, just got into Vegas. Bro, Rug, you're in Vegas. Look, I will fly out that joint right now, okay? Dana Carney, 20 bones. Are you serious right now, guy? Let's go. Thank you, dude. We have got to be near $100 now. That's awesome, dude. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will most definitely get this sent over to him. Like I said, I'll probably do crypto. I'll let him pick. What y'all think we should send him? Should we send him Ripple Coin or should we send him XLM? Should we send him Algorand? Is that on Coinbase? I tell you what, I'll get him set up on Binance US and I'll send him Algorand. How about that? We'll get him Algorand, and since there's 1,000% available on it, I'll just tell him to leave it alone. And maybe we turn $100 into 1,000% and give him 10 grand. That'd be pretty dope, wouldn't it? No, that'd be 1,000 bones, right? Yeah, that'd be 1,000. That'd be $1,000. I'm not a mathematician, dude. Hold up, let me do it right. Whew. Yeah, okay, that's $1,000. You turn $1,000 into 10 grand. Okay, if I see this do a little more here and I get a cloud confirmation, I'm probably going to buy more Algorand. Okay, because I like the percentages. I really, really do. Can this turn south? Yeah, it still can. So I don't want y'all guys to get all like giddy up and shit. Just be smart, okay? This thing could still come down and go this way. It is on Coinbase. Dope, 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 dope. All right, I like it. If it's on Coinbase, he's already got Coinbase. I'll just give him that on Coinbase. It'd be easier that way. But like I said, we do have this little trend line here. Let's be smart. Don't get cocky. This stuff will change on you in a heartbeat. We know that crypto is extremely finicky. We've clearly got a line to break here. Let's see what happens. Let's see. All right. Rug says, bring it. Jeremy says, I'm invested. Frank says, got mines. Should we do the target price estimation for the Four Horsemen? Sure, I can do that. We've already seen that Ripple Coin is a no. XLM is currently maybe. We're going to do Audio Coin. Let's see. ADA. We can look at that one. And then VT. We can look at VT also. Either way, you've seen what I think about Algorand, okay? It's your choice, your money. Do whatever the fuck you want to do. Mithril. You see, I got a lot of shit on the screen for Mithril, okay? June 19th. Juneteenth, as Moonrider said. Look, box is up here just like it was on all those other coins that I've already mentioned to you previously. Percentage to June 19th. 1,300-ish percent. 1,300-ish percent. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. Be smart. It's your money. Pick your own poison, bro. We got an inverse head and shoulders right here. I see a green candle popping up. Listen, don't say I didn't tell you so. It's your money. Do what you want. All right, let's see. I know, right? Dana with the bomb, bro. Danny Carney with the bomb. Danny Carney with the $20 bomb. Law of attraction, Professor Keith. You are rich and will be richer in every way. Thank you, sir. Algo sounds good for him. I agree. Let's see. I'm not going to tell him. He don't even know. I don't think he watches. You know how I feel right now when sending that coin. So y'all know I had issues with sending my Ripple coin. So did EJ, but he's working them out. No sweat. So we'll get it. We'll get it took care of. 25% each. Oh, that's a good idea, Moonrider. Okay. VET ain't on Coinbase yet, though, is it? If not, I can do Algorand instead of VET. ADA ain't on Coinbase either. Maybe we do 30%. 33, 33, 33, right? What Jeremy just said, man, you don't need money to be rich, but it sure the hell doesn't make it easier, don't it? I know, dude, cancer and stuck using Coinbase. It's not him, it's his wife. She's the one that's got the leukemia. It's treatable. It's treatable. But still, man, his network wouldn't cover much of it, and he had to miss a shit ton of work, and he had Corona going on at the same time, and his whole family got it. So the dude's been through hell, okay? He's been through hell. Is that 1,300% on Crystal Myth? Absolutely it is, Ken. Is anyone... I'm sure anyone in Ripple Coin at this point would take 13 to 32. Listen, it might take 10 years to get there, but I think it can happen. I'd take $2 for Ripple Coin. That's absolutely right. At $2, listen, I have a lot of money. All right. So, let's get into some other coins. I know Jeremy wanted me to do audio. You've already seen what I think about Myth. Let's look at audio real quick. We'll get into all of them here. Audio coins still a buy, bro. You know what this kind of looks like, right? This coin that I missed on right here. If you're watching Alt, he's the one that told me. He actually told us all, by the way, to get in on this, and I didn't do it. He told us on November 25th to buy this, and nobody did. But look at that thing go, man. God, I'm such an asshole sometimes, dude. And look, I know my flaws, okay? I know my flaws. I missed. Simple as that. Simple as that. But look, it's not far off, is it? I think they look pretty darn similar, don't you? You know, one's up a little more than the other. But Injected Protocol didn't miss a beat, dude. This thing has been a buy since December 1st. And has not stopped. It's up a solid 170%, 180%. Whew, goodness gracious. GSX, hit them charts yet. Let me look at GSX real quick while you're on here. I know everybody can't stay on here forever, so I'm trying to get you guys coins sooner. Because I know everybody likes to get some sleep. Even though I don't sleep. I sleep when I die. Like Jeezy said. I don't have a coin trader chart up here. Yeah, right there. It's over here, sorry. There we go. And we're going to look at GSX. Still nothing for GSX. Alright, audio coin, still a buy, still letting her ride. She hasn't hit a sale yet. That one is a good to go. I just poked a hole through my notepad. Stupid. Zeal. Oh, let's look at VET first. VET, where are you at? There you are. All right, so it's trying to hold right now. It's kind of jogging sideways, barely holding on. But, again, it's up there. So, it got rejected at 786, but it hasn't tanked. It can slip down here all the way to the 50 fib if it wants. But it's hanging out right now. This still isn't a sale. This is still a wait a minute. All right, so we've already done Ripple Coin. That's a no. XLM is a maybe. VET is a maybe. ADA. Right there. Okay, ADA is in a little bit better situation, but still hasn't quite kicked off and took off where it needed to go. Now, it has broken trend right here. You see that? It broke the trend line. Now, it appears to be testing. Can this go up more? Yes. Can it go down more? Yes. Let's play it by ear and be careful here, okay? ADA is still a maybe in my opinion. All right, Zeal. Look at Zeal go. Zeal doesn't have time for nobody's bullshit today. Look how clean this cloud is. Clean as a whistle. She is gone with the wind. Goodness gracious. It doesn't get much better. And it's almost clear of the candles again. This gets up a little bit more. This lag line will be clear of this wick right here. And it's clear to do more. Whew. Zeal is so hot, dude. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful chart. Band. I actually bought some band and wand chain too. We'll do wand chain. But band turned down on me, man, and that sucked. So, you know, it's flirting with a sale right now. All right, see? It's flirting with a sale. I actually bought this candle, and it turned down on me. Okay, fine. You can't win them all. It is still over the cloud. The lag line is into the candles. It's a sale. Baseline and conversion line are flat, actually. So this is still a maybe. Let's see what happens. What I liked about this one, I don't have them pulled up, but the 200 and the 50 moving average are right here, okay, as support. They're right there. So it's kind of getting crunched into this pennant. Let's see what happens. All right, if this falls below the cloud, I'll sell it, but not yet. Wand chain. I bought wand chain because, you know, EJ's had it for so long and I don't want him to feel left out. 3 out of 4 positives on wand chain, but no fourth. We need this blue line over the red. Okay? Blue line needs to be over the red line right here, and it's not yet. My green line is my buy line. I don't hide nothing from y'all. If I take losses, I take them on the chin. I'm on live YouTube in front of everybody showing y'all my real money and how I miss, okay? This is real life for me. This ain't a game. I know I have a drinking game, I do and all that stuff, but that just makes it more fun. But this is my real money. I am not a financial advisor. This is my trades, my journey down this dark road. Everybody has their own path, and this is mine, okay? So if y'all do something based on what I do, hey, that's on you, okay? I'm not an advisor. I'm just a dude trying to make it out here for myself. Just like y'all are, okay? Everybody's out here trying to make it for themselves, too. So me and EJ are in it together, bro. I'm right here on this wine chain train with you. On the 8 and 21 now, she's good. And she's actually throwing a doji right now. So if it can hold up here, that's great. So wine chain, still good. All right, hang on a second. Let me read what y'all got over here. Ripple coin is still 6 months or so away from being listed, but pie may be closer than expected. They need to do something with that pie because I got a lot of pie, and they keep pushing the can down the road, and I ain't cool about that. GSX still in pre-sale. Got you. Reap USDT. Reap chain. Dude, that's such a dope name, though. God almighty. Frank. Where was you at on this one, dog? Fuck out of here, bro. 500 and 250%? Damn. I don't even know what to say. Shit. That's awesome. I hope you bought some. VT was a wait a minute last time. Yes, sir, it was, Nick. I wrote that shit down, bro. And it's still a wait now. So, You know, progress is a slow process. XMR, the sneaky BTC. Yes, sir. XMR. Hey, it hadn't missed a beat. Look how high that is. Still a buy. Take a look at the cloud real quick. Yes, sir. Cloud is good all the way around. It's about to hit this wick. I bet it gets over it. Okay. Lag lines over. Blue over red. Yes. Price over and green cloud. All 4 points are a go on the cloud. Beautiful. Let's see. Sparta. Can we see Sparta yet? Let's see. Acro is a sale, by the way. Because I knew you were going to ask about it, Darth. Well, Spartan chain is still just a big old humongous green candle. All right, there we go. That one's a buy too. We've had these two ugly looks right here, but look, it's coming up. All right, coming up. Wait a second. Yep, okay. I'm being told that the algo is moving too slow. So hold on. Yep, okay. We just sped the algo up. Don't worry. It's going to go faster now. We just sped it up. We're good to go. All right. Let's definitely look at ICD stock again since the last time we looked at it. ICD. Okay, let's do it. ICD. Oh, that's independence contracting. Oh, I remember that, yeah. We were talking about that one. Yeah, it's still ugly, but it's trying. But it's still ugly. It's still going to be a no from me, dog. Actually, this is a cloud buy. Look at that. All 4 points are a yes. Lag line over. Base over conversion, even though it looks ugly. Price over the cloud and a green cloud. That's actually a buy on the cloud on Independence Contract Drilling, bro. Interesting. So, even though the 8 and the 21 is telling us to stop, it's still a buy technically. Now, the next couple of days may change that. We'll see. Let's see. All right. I went for his DeFi, probably. Acro's a sale, yes. Yep, that's a sale, bro. What's about to be, you're right. Not yet. It's close, but not yet. Not yet. We're close. We got one under the 21. Working on our second one, so a 50-50 buy. A 50-50 sale. I'm sorry, 50-50 sale. Man, I got a bunch of messages. Hold up. All right. Let's see. Oh, God. Yeah, this is a moon shift, Frank. We got to get it sped up, bro. We can't sit here in this slow algo. We got to get the algo moving. All-time high in 2 days now. You heard what Jeremy said. E-gold and storage. Yes, storage was interesting. Okay, so we'll look at e-gold and storage. I actually have storage over here, I believe. I think so. I guess not. Storage is on Binance US, by the way. If you have Binance US, you can get get it there, and it's easier to use than regular Binance, and it's better than Coinbase. It's not a buy on the cloud at all, but the 8 and the 21 is a buy. Okay? This is a bullish cross right here on storage. That's beautiful. See that? Thank you, Ken. That is a buy on storage. E-Gold. Jesus. Look at that, dude. Look at that thing ride the 8. Are you serious? Look at that, man. God almighty. Cannot look better. My goodness. That's insanity. Cloud is all kind of different buys. Good gracious. That's a beautiful chart. Just look at that thing for a second. Damn, y'all. Oh. Boy. All right, so let's see. Would you sell some ETH for smaller caps like ZEAL, Algo, VT, or SHA? All right, Jeffrey Brown. This is an interesting topic. So you have people on the other side like Dre, and Dre will tell you that he only does regular top number coins. He don't fuck with the shit coins, okay? And he does pretty well without having to bother with them. Me, on the other hand, I'm all about ROI, return on investment. So I'll do just about anything that I think will make me some money. And if I see a chart that looks hot, I'm gonna go for that thing. I ain't gonna backpedal. So ETH is Ethereum is right on the brink of breaking some levels here. So I don't know if I would sell ETH yet, but Ethereum doesn't have the ROI that some of these other ones have. Now it would take a big one like Algo or something like that to be the one that I would go for. SHA or something like that, because Safe Haven is a sell right now. It's not even a buy right now. So that wouldn't be one I went into, but I would keep some on the side for it. I'm all about smaller cap stuff. I think the smaller cap stuff is going to blow the bigger cap stuff out of the water as far as ROI, in my opinion. Y'all ever do much staking? I grabbed a bunch of Atom early today. I'll probably be holding it a couple weeks at least. Is there any reason not to stake it? I mean, it's their downside. The only downside, RWM, is the fact that you can't sell it when you stake it. Okay? That's the only downside. A lot of people in here stake. A lot of people do. I get the algo moving by calling for a dump. I will use the MLU indicator here in a little bit, okay? I've got the MLU indicator saved in here, and I will put it up in just a little bit. Don't ever sleep on the MLU indicator. It knows exactly what's going to happen. All right. TA keeps changing on ICD every couple of days, so it's confusing me. I feel you. Power Pig, Frank says. Yeah, RWM, if you go to Bitrue and open an account on Bitrue, they actually have the Power Piggy. And the Power Piggy is where you put your Ripple coin. If you put your Ripple coin in there at 10 a.m. or 10 p.m. Eastern, either one, they open it up and let you put your Ripple coin in there. And I think they pay pretty good % on Ripple coin. So it's up to you. Let's see. What if Cloud says buy, but 821 says sell? Look at Pundy. Let's see that. All right, hold up real quick. David Quinn says, would you buy a Ripple coin right now? Let's look and see. No, I would not buy Ripple coin right now. I wouldn't buy Ripple coin until it broke this green line right here, David Quinn. Glad to have you, by the way, David Quinn. Where are you from? How'd you find out about us? How'd you hear about us? Tell us a little bit about yourself, dude. We're all a family here. I know about everybody on this list personally. So we'd love to hear about you a little bit. I wouldn't buy this until it broke this lime green line, which is 46 and some change. Once it broke this, that would give me a little bit of evidence that this is going to move up. But I don't like it breaking this downward channel right here at all. I don't like that at all. That looks bad to me. That looks like there's more down ahead. So this is no, I wouldn't buy this. I have other things I would rather buy. Let's see. All right, so Nick says, look at Pundy and tell me what about the cloud says yes, but the 821 says no. Well, let's have a gander, shall we? All right, like he's saying, the 8 and the 21 says no, but the cloud. Okay, so here's the thing, Nick. The cloud says no, too. The lag line is running into the candles, so that would be a sell. Also, the blue is curling down really hard toward the conversion line, so that would be a sell. Can this change? Yes. But maybe it's a 50-50 sale. Maybe this is one of those where you would only sell half. But I see what you're saying here, and it's tricky. So this leads me to believe, I mean, honestly, this is only one under the 21, not two, but it is a really nasty candle. So I would hold it and see what happens, because this could change. But I don't like the lag line hitting the candles like that. That's usually a sell sign. When the lag line starts to run into the candles, it's usually a signal that it's going to go the other direction, as a common practice on the cloud. Let's see. All right. Both of those are on Binance US. E-Gold is up 35%. Just seen it. Yep. Anyone happen to find out how much Spark is projected to be? No, Jeremy, but dude, they went off in the mod chat. There's so much info. We're going to have to do a Zoom or something, because I can't possibly soak all that in my simpleton dumb brain. And there's some really smart guys in the group who are all over this stuff. And I'll be the first to tell you I'm a little bit dumb to it. I'll be the first to say that. So I'm going to have to know more. The MLU indicator was developed by NASA. Yes, it was. Electric Ken H bar. You know how I feel about Hedera Hashgraph, man. Never made a single dollar off of it. Not even one. Cloud says yes. Son of a bitch. Lag over. Price over. Conversion over base. Green cloud. God almighty. I can't buy this, man. If I buy it, it'll go down, bro. 8 and the 21 says no. Here's another one, Nick, that was just the same as what you were just talking about. This is a clear-cut no on the 8 and the 21. We're actually getting a bearish cross right here. So what should we do? What should we do? I'm tending to lean toward wait a minute and just see what happens, because the cloud has support. If it drops under the cloud, that's your get out point. But I kind of feel like we could just stop and wait here. If you don't know what to do, don't do anything. You know what I mean? I know that's tough and we don't want to wait, but I think that might be the best play. Just stopping and chilling out for a minute here. Look at H bar, man. What Rug just said right here, you better get on BitTrue Power Piggy quick, because the cap fills up really, really fast, because there's a bunch of people trying to do the same thing, okay, to get their Ripple coin in there. They were developing an algorithmic program to shoot the moon. 100%, Frank. Darth, that's what I heard too. EST. That's just a stock, Frank. EST, or is that estimated? Is that what you're saying? It's 9 now, estimated. Oh, okay, Eastern. 9 Eastern. 9 o'clock Eastern is what he's saying. David Quinn is from Houston. Hey, I'm from Houston, TX. That's how we do it, man. That's Slim Thug. I'm not from Houston. I'm from North Carolina. Right. I see what you're saying. Pundy isn't a sale. Right. I get what you're saying. But it's close, and you're curious. Yeah, I kind of feel like just stop and wait, because we could get trapped into a sale when we don't want to be, and that would suck. So I see what you're saying. H bar was a maybe. Where we at with H bar? Yeah, I don't even have it on my list, so it must have been. But dude, I was drunk last time, so. Oh, there it is. Yep, I got you right here. So we'll keep it right there. We confirmed the Spark selling in India was not the Flare project. It was an IOU coin, means it's a regular coin named the same thing. Yeah, man, I don't know about an IOU coin, so I don't know if I want to mess around with that or not, dude. Especially some Indian trap. That feels like a trap. Comp. Comp was a buy the last time we were here. So let's look again at comp. Oh, yeah, brother, look at that. Comp is good to go. Bam. Bam. Price is over. Bam. Hey. And it's over the 8 and the 21. You listen, comp is good to go. You got all of the indications you could want here on comp. Comp is still good. That gets a check mark. Goodness. Killed it on comp. Anybody who's got comp? All right. It was sold on a not well-known exchange. Yeah, more reason for me to say no. Algorand is flirting with getting up there and becoming another hitter. Okay, so what else we got? Luna. All right, Luna. KG. I know you're not on here because Slovenia is like 1,000 hours behind us. But that bitch right here is good to go. You got all the indicators positive on Luna. Check mark, yes. You got all four good to go. Plus you got over the 8 and the 21. What else can you ask for? That's beautiful. Luna is a beautiful chart. A beautiful, beautiful chart. You should have got in on this, everybody. Dragon Chain was a maybe last time. Ooh. Okay, this one took a turn for the worst. This is going to be a no on Dragon Chain. Yeah, it took a turn for the worst. No thanks. Dragon Chain is going to be a no. Sparta, we already did. It's still good. Forest Plus. All right. Here we go. This is that bitch that gave good ahead on the first date. But she ain't really called me back since then. So cloud-wise, it's still a no. 8 and 21, it's over. I don't like all the wicks, but this is the ultimate shit coin, y'all. This is such a terrible coin. It's so terrible. It's so terrible. But I'm all about ROI, and if I got to take a little bit of a risk, I'm going to take a little bit of a risk, okay? And I think there's a lot of money to be made out here in crypto. So you don't make home runs by watching the ball go by you, okay? You swing the bat. And I swung the bat on this one, and I was up a lot. So I'm not up a lot right now, but I'm still up. It's all good. One chain turning it. Hey, here we go. Come on, right there's my buying line, the green line, by the way. Let's go, baby girl. Come on. Let's go. SHA, what you doing? God bless America. Look at SHA. Safe haven. Sweetie, you are killing me. You are killing me. I'm out of this, by the way. I need to get rid of that line. Damn. I sold this when the spark drop happened. Well, I sold it a little bit before the spark drop happened. I sold this. I forget which. I sold this right before spark. Oh, man. Well, I'm going to look for a buy in here, and that honestly may not be a terrible buy-in spot, but I don't want to buy yet. I want to give this a little bit here, and if this turns around and shows me something different, then I may buy some more of it because I like the upside. Oh, EHRT. I know a lot of you guys have EHRT, especially the guys from the other group. She's still a buy, y'all. This actually changed to over here. There. That's a buy. And we're still over the 821. We're fighting with a fib line right now. That's fine. Let it play out and see what happens. Worst could happen is it drops down some more. But dude, this thing's already made lower highs and lower lows a lot. And now it's kind of reversed that, started making higher highs and higher lows. So let's give it a minute. It made a higher low right here. It's made another higher low. I'm fine with giving this a little bit. Okay, let's give it a little bit. How about some Filecoin? FIL. I tried to make my own coin, by the way. Has anybody used this mintme.com yet? Mintme, MINTME.com. I tried to get my own coin set up and I couldn't get it to work. But if anybody can get it to work and to let me know how, I would be happy to hear about it. All right, so Filecoin is going to be a sale. All this consolidation right here is spooky. This is on TradingView. Damn, it is. All right. Man, what the hell? Look at this thing, bro. Good gracious. I have a hard time buying this because this looks similar to Streamer Data Coin, where it just did this and went sideways forever and slowly faded down. So it's not a buy yet. And this can change. It's a lot of consolidation, which is usually good, but when this consolidation doesn't do anything for a while, you tend to have downs before you have ups. And the support is way down here, okay? At 25 cents. So risk reward, I'd wait a little bit on Filecoin. All right, Crypto Granny will only shield Ripple Coin or TRX. Let's see. I like TRX. By the way, in case y'all haven't picked up on it, I could care less about the project. I don't care. Do you understand? I don't care. I don't care who runs it. I don't care what kind of tacos they like. I don't care who they have partnerships with. I want to know if the chart's a buy or sell. Is it a buy or sell? It is? Okay, well, buy or sell it. That's it. There's no emotions allowed when you invest. You invest the chart. Buy the chart. Sell the chart. I heard a couple different things. Like I've been watching Shark Tank guys, the Kevin O'Leary guy. Everybody calls him an asshole. But he's the best one for a reason, okay? Because he has zero emotions. Zero. He will straight up tell you the truth. And like he says, man, money doesn't cry over you, so you better not cry over it. Okay? Don't be dumb. He doesn't buy the people. He buys he buys what he thinks can make him money. What he can make his money back on. He's risking his money. He's going to make money off of it, okay? If it's not going to make any money off of it, he's not going to risk it. He's going to tell you why he's not going to risk it. He doesn't care if you're a nice guy or not. That doesn't make him money. What makes him money is a good product that has a demand. All right? And if he can't make money on it, Audi 5K. But he has a couple different sayings, and I heard him say this one on a podcast. But the guy says, he asked him, he says, okay, yada, 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 this, that, and the other. Why are you the way you are? He says, well, it's real simple. He said, I don't have any emotions about this. He said, but he said, what I have happened a lot of times is somebody have a good product, but they'll be married to it. They don't want to sell it. They don't want to do anything except hold on to it forever. And he's like, I can't have that. He said, so what I'll do is if I like the product enough that I can make enough ROI on it, return on investment, I'll buy 51% of that company just so I don't have to deal with the person anymore. You can ask about whatever you want. You can say whatever you want, but I own 51%. I'm the majority holder. I'll do whatever I want. Do I have to give you 49% of the profits? I sure do. But I don't have to hear what you have to say. So I thought, damn, that's interesting. He's willing to keep the person on and let him have 49% profits. But he don't give a shit what they have to say because when it comes to making money, that's what he knows how to do. He doesn't care about the product. He wants to keep you on so you can continue to make the product better or come out with new products. But he don't care about nothing else except making money. Okay, and I thought, damn, that's interesting. And everybody should know that. It's really slick. Tron, on the other hand, over here is a sell. It is not confirmed to buy yet. We had a buy signal, no buy confirmed. All right? A buy signal, 2 over the 8, but no buy confirmed. We didn't get that green over the purple yet. We're still waiting on Tron. I'm getting out of SHA. I guess have more money for Forest. Oh, God. Yeah, same way. I'm getting back in SHA. I'm just waiting on the chart to turn positive for me. And when it does, I'm good. Mint Me. Yes, that's to create your own coin, Darth. Go in there and look at it and see what you think, bro. You're welcome, Chi-Town. Never buy the hype, sell the FUD. Exactly. Never buy the hype or sell the FUD. Look at the chart, dude. That's all that matters. I'm not reading that, Darth. Oh, yeah, dude. Kevin O'Leary's like, he'll tell you. He says he's lost money. That's just the way it works. He said, but when I made $1 billion, it's like when I made my first billion, he's like, I hit that point where I was like, how did I make this money? Did I make this money by thinking about it? Or he said, no, I made this money by not being emotional and taking the right bet. And he said, I'm going to do that from now on. Does Tron glow red or blue? I don't know, bro. I think you're making a movie reference, but I'm not positive because be honest with you, this whiskey hits different. Let's finish this drink off. And that's got, fuck. Whoa. All right. That's a solid 4 shots. I haven't said it but one time. That's only because someone asked me to. I believe that shot drink right there sped the algo up again. Interestingly enough. All right, so that was the first speed. This is the second speed, but I can't get to the third speed without pulling the handle in first. That puts me in the third speed. So now we have the third speed of the algo. Let's see what happens. I'm curious, okay? Third speed. It's going to get crazy. I can feel it already. Bat. Bat is trying to become a buy. Okay, here's another thing, fellas. Anybody who's new on here, I know some of y'all who are not talking in the background are new. Please feel free to ask about any coin you want. Anybody who's highlighted over here in the blue can look at a chart for you pretty good and help you out with charting also. This isn't just me. I have a whole team of guys. We got a whole team of guys over here who can read charts. It's not just me. We do a consensus thing. We look at charts. We see something we like. We talk about it. If we don't like it, we talk about it. We argue about it sometimes. But the magic is in the consensus. We make group decisions. If one person sees something stupid, they tend to call the other person out for it. I've been called out a couple times. KG's been called out. Mr. Fizz been called out. Darth's been called out. Everybody's been called out, man. That's the way it works. We don't have any emotions. Remove your emotions. Just read the chart. It sucks sometimes because we all want to get a little bit emotional sometimes, but hey, the only emotions we have are joy when that money hits our bank account. Bat is trying to become a buy, but it's not. Look at this trend line right here that it's got. Okay, I need to see it break that. break that, and then we're talking. It may have another leg down in it. And if it does, it'll be a confirmed sale. So let's see what happens. It's already been short. So one step at a time. Okay, AAVE, Ave, however you want to say it. It is currently a buy, and it's way up there. Let me look at this real quick. Damn, it looks like E-gold, doesn't it? Boy, that's beautiful. Beautiful. What does the cloud look like? It's all good, probably. Yep, it is. See, this is what I was talking about. Look how this thing hooked over. Look how the lag line went over the candles right there. How cool is that? Now it's free to flutter because the lag line has room to flutter here. Okay, that's really cool. It's over the 8 and 21. It's a buy all the way around on the cloud. Blue over red and a green cloud. So over the 8 and 21, it's wicking down toward the 21 now, but that's okay. Let's just give it a little bit. But AAV, Ave, however you like to say it, she's good. Ave got you. You hear about that? Going to be a bigger than Pokemon with the value they put on these characters. Oh, God. Let's see. Juan needs to break resistance at 383 or down again. May try to form an inverse head and shoulders on the hour. That's fine. I'll leave it in there for a little bit because I don't want to panic on any of these charts. I really think Bitcoin is going to break all-time high before the end of the year, in my opinion. So I like to think it's going to drag some stuff up with it, but we'll see. Why are you making that X? I didn't say it. You about got me, Ken. That was close. I got chewed up by talking about the Codius removal. Oh, I did something. I forget what I did. I remember about the CME gap and getting checked on that, but I did something else too. I forget what it was. A bunch of people got upset the other day with cryptologist Chirac, who's not in here right now, but I get it. Everybody gets emotional sometimes, but he left. Either way, maybe watch him, may not. If he is, I hope he is, man. I don't hold a grudges at all. Oh, real quick. I wanted to show you, this is a perfect example of a time we can use our MLU indicator. To use your MLU indicator, you also have this built into the chart, okay? All you have to do is where this little sun is right here, right click, or left click, I'm sorry, left click, and have invert scale right here. Just click invert. Okay, this is the MLU indicator. This tells you which way you shouldn't be doing, okay? Just do the opposite of whatever this thing says, all right? The MLU indicator gives you the opposite of what's actually happening. Right now, Ave is a sale on the MLU indicator, so we're going to buy it, okay? That's a simple way the MLU indicator works. See? We put it back to normal and it's a buy. Fair enough, right? Let's find one let's find one that would be the opposite. Let's erase all this stuff. Let's turn our MLU indicator on. MLU indicator says buy this one, doesn't it? So we are going to sell it because the MLU indicator says so. This could keep going here, couldn't it? Just like those other charts. You got this cross here. This could keep going, huh? We don't know, do we? So we better stop and wait and see what happens. We don't play around with this MLU indicator. It is very powerful. Be smart here, okay? Be smart. Oh, yeah, TNT. Someone sent me this chart today. Man, looky there, looky there. This coin, Ethereum has been in a downtrend for ever. This is just a weekly chart, but it's been in a downtrend for a really long time, okay? Never broke it. So, we could actually probably look at a better chart. Over here. Yeah, there we go. That's a little better. That's the same as TradingView. Never mind, we can stick with TradingView. Either way, this has been a downtrend, and it appears to be trying to reverse out of that. All right? Do we have a buy signal? Absolutely we do. As a matter of fact, we got it. Let's say we had one, we lost it. Had one, we lost it. Had one right here. Never really lost it. So right here, that is December 8th, or I guess actually we could move it back to here. Second candle over, yep. December 7th, it looks like. Or maybe even the 6th. No, 7th. 7th. So buy there. And then we got this bullish cross right here. See that? Got another buy signal right there. So let's put a check mark by that one. 8:21, crossing up. I like it. So let's look at the cloud real quick. Cloud is still a no. All right, it's actually getting rejected at the cloud right now. Look at that. Interesting, huh? Now the lag line is way up. It cut through those lines very nicely. Blue is over red. We don't have a green cloud. We only have one of the four for a cloud buy. So could this get stuck in the cloud and move sideways? Yes, that's the beauty of the cloud. It tells you to stop and wait a second. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. TNT is a buy right now, though, okay? So let's be smart. This thing could pull back. And in fact, I have a high probability that, I mean, there's not much resistance, though. So this thing could come up here some more before it pulls back, and maybe it rides the top of this cloud a little. That's fair enough. That may happen. I can see it. We'll have to play it by ear a little bit. I don't own this. This is only available on HIT BTC. HIT Bitcoin. I don't have a thing on HIT Bitcoin. It's a terrible exchange. So I'm on enough exchanges already. Honest to God, dude, I don't want to be on anymore. I'm on enough exchanges. It's kind of exhausting being on 8 exchanges already. So no more. Hold on. Someone's blowing my phone up. Nick, did you really just ping me and tell me to mine pie? Fair enough, brother. I'm mining it now. There you go. Let's see. Bro, I'm buzzed a little bit. I'm going to be honest with you. Ain't as bad as the other night. I was trashed the other night. Y'all got me fucked up. Whew, I was ruined. All right, so let's see here. All right, so if we put on our MLU indicator on this one is a clear. Actually, this is a sale on the MLU indicator, so we will be buying, okay? I'm not going to buy this one because I got enough shit coins already. I got a bunch of them. So I'm trying to limit my shit coin capacity right now. Yeah, dude, if somebody wants to get on mintme.com and see if we can get that figured out, that'd be awesome. An honorary Jose coin, that would be dope, bro. One Harmony. Yeah, Nick, I got you. I'm also in One Harmony. It's currently a buy. And this thing throws odd candles. It throws these really funky, weird candles that don't really make a whole lot of sense. So let's do 2-day. It looks a little more clean on 2-day, right? The candles are a little bit more uniform. So it's even a buy on the 2-day, though. Cloud. Close, but no. Close, but no. We have a red cloud over here. We are over. We only have one of the 4. Price is over, but that's it. We need more out of One Harmony. We needed to get up here somewhere. Up here. If it can get up here, it'll be a buy. Because this lag line is way down here. This needs to get up. Okay. So it may jog sideways and slowly move up. It may move under the cloud. And if it does, I may get out at that point. I may get out and find something else to get into. That's a half shot. Boy, Nick, you a kid, you done lost your mind. This shit'll kill you. This scotch ain't no damn game, bro. It'll whoop your ass. BTC hasn't broken 20K yet, so I expect alt season will be near the end next. I expect alt season will near the end of next year, even 2022. We're pretty damn early. EJ, you make a good point. It may not even be time yet. We may be stuck waiting 6 more months or another year. That sucks to hear that, but I mean it's possible. There's a lot of liquor between now and then. I know that much. You got time out for disrespect, right? CME gap is still in play until all-time high is broken. Otherwise, that will be bottom of the bear market. It's possible, Moonrider. It's possible, bro. The CME market, the CME gap never fully closed. What if it hits all-time high up there like 21.5 and then dumps all the way down? Well, that would suck, wouldn't it? But we'll get buy signals and sell signals before then. And if we get a sell signal, I'll be happy to tell everybody. I don't have a sell signal on Bitcoin, and I haven't had one in 2 months. MLU indicator was developed by super algo computers. Absolutely it was. Where can I buy the MLU indicator? You can't, bro. You cannot buy that indicator. It's a special indicator that we had made custom just for us. Nick said, LOL, ping inactives. Bro, I'm streaming. I'm not inactive, but I got you. It's on Rock Auto. Oh, Ken's an idiot. Oh, Crypto.com. I'm loving that. Do you have a coin on Crypto.com, Chi-Town? Oh, June 19 on 1. Okay, let's do it. I believe it's not as high. On One Harmony, Nick. Yeah, I don't think it's quite as high. Let's find out. I think it's a decent, but not as high as some others. All right, so there's that. We go up. 500%, Nick. 500%. I got a bunch of messages. Hang on. All right. Let's see. Oh, yeah, that was just Darth talking about the not affiliated thing. Yeah, Nick, that really happened. Just people get emotional, man. So, you can't let people get too crunk on stuff. But here you go. Another thing about One Harmony. I put this in the same category with Algorand. However, the return on investment on Algorand is a lot higher. But look, shoulder, head, shoulder, plus over here on this side. We go down to the daily. Whoops. Do you remember talking about Zeal, how Zilliqa had a head and shoulders within a head and shoulders? Well, here you go. Same situation here. You've got, I'll erase this and make it a little cleaner. You've got shoulder, head, shoulder. And now we're going to make this move up. Will it make it as fast as we want? Probably not. And it'll probably just take as long as it wants. But it's only up to here, okay? I'm only asking it to go up there to that next resistance line. How far is that? I mean, that's 100%. I'll take 100%. I just dropped my ink pen. That's my good ink pen, man. That's my good work ink pen. Now I'm trying to pick it up with my toes. Got it. I like One Harmony. I'm in it. I'm going to ride it out until it until it shows me something really ugly, okay? Let's see. I'll see you at AA, Keith. That's messed up, Ken. Yeah, Chi-Town. They'll sell on that Mint, MINTME.com, mintme.com. But it wouldn't let me make my coin. It just kept telling me it wouldn't let me create it or whatever. It was frustrating. It said make your profile. So I made a profile. And it was like, okay, make your coin. I couldn't get it to work. But I thought that'd be really cool to do it. I was going to make an assassin coin for all of us. Is your chat messed up? No, his eyes are, Jeremy. One seems to be battling this range. I agree. It's fighting right here, and I think it's just more consolidation because there isn't a ton of resistance up here. And once it does get moving, it should go pretty well. Now, I would like to look over here at a different one and see if we have more juice in the bottle. Yeah, okay. Not really. One Harmony is a newer coin. Same setup here. So once it gets through this range, man, it's really not much resistance. We just have to wait for it to really go. We're at buy when we see buy and sell when we see sell. And right now we're at buy. So, all right, let's see. I just found out a lot of ins and outs on it from Ripple Rich, the stake Ripple coin. That's what raised my brow. Okay, I got you. Ash USD. Bro, I'm not barefoot. I got brand new socks on, homie. What's good? These are brand new socks. Ash USD. If that's swear to God, if that's a coin. Oh no, it's not. That's a Mint Me coin. Well, see if y'all can figure it out. Like, look, I'll show you. Like it wouldn't work, man. Yes, that's my real email address. I don't care. What you gonna do? Email me? Oh, I don't care. Of course, I got an email authentication code. All right, now see, check it out. So I got all these coins that you can make on your own, right? Tree coin, Corona coin extra, crypto alien. Pretty cool, right? So I got my profile set up, whatever. So I should be able to go to my token, create your own token, right? So I'll just do assassin chain and put, the best token ever. And I should be able to create, but I can't. No matter what I do, it won't let me. So I went to help, and it says, yada, yada, yada. Well, I tried all that. It didn't work. I tried it. It didn't work. It's whatever. So if someone can figure it out, please let me know. Let's see. Have you seen Bob Moe? What's up, guy? Glad to have you. Where'd you come from? How'd you find out about us? It's dope to have you. Have you seen UMA lately? UMA. Let me see. UMA. UMA. UMA USD. Ooh. Okay. Here we go again, fellas. I want y'all to pay attention to this, okay? This is really important. Just like DNT, this never crossed ugly, okay? I zoomed way in on purpose. We never had... Actually, this is the wrong... You know what? Incorrect. This is one of those that would have gave us a... We had no buy signal or nothing on this one. This one just went. So this would have been one of the 25%, man. Never mind. It's giving us a buy signal now, but it's awful late. But that sucks. What about weekly? Nothing on the weekly. It just took off. Look at that. This is going to be one of those that you couldn't win on charts because you'd have wanted 2 over the 8. You never got it. You'd have wanted the green over the purple. You never got it. It just took off in one candle. It's like 30%. 48%. God almighty. So, it's interesting. I want to keep close eyes on these charts for this reason, okay? June 19, it doesn't even have a June 19 area. Let's see. Thank you for bringing this up, Bob Mo, because this is really interesting. Okay, it does have more. It does have more chart. Ah, now looky here, weekly. It was never a sale. It's been a buy on the weekly for a long time. Daily. All right. No, it's the same way here. I already had this charted for some reason. Someone had already brought this up before. You may get some pullback here. And if so, you want to buy the pullback and ride it up some more, that's fine. But this came a little bit out of nowhere because you never got that accurate buy signal that we like to see. I guarantee you wouldn't have a cloud buy. There's no way that was a cloud buy. It wasn't either. It was a sell on the cloud too. Interesting stuff. Let's see. All right. Let's see. Hey, what's up, Pilgrim? I know someone who made their own crypto coin. Not saying it, Darth. Thanks, just hopping through some chats, and if anyone's talking about, I'll absolutely talk about any coin you want to talk about, bro. I'm happy to talk about UMA, and I'm happy to break it down, Bob. Thank you for stopping in. I'm hoping you stay in more often. Love to have everybody come in here. Us Carolina people love our socks, Moon Rider. Thank you very much. Ohio, okay. Ohio. Yeah, Bitcoin I did earlier, Bob. I got Bitcoin to 21.5. I know it's a little pullback right now, but it's still no sale on it. I haven't had a sale signal in 2 months or so. It's hanging out at 786. The longer it hangs out at 786, the better. More chance we get up here, okay? But 21.4, 21.5 is a clean move to me. We just need it to break all-time high. As soon as all-time high breaks, that's happening. And from there, we're in price discovery. And in price discovery, we're going to go 100% technical. Hardcore, extreme technical. But yeah, UMA, that's extremely odd, man. I don't like to see charts not give me the signal that I want first. But I'm happy to say when they don't. And this one clearly did not give me a buy signal until too late. Clearly. That should have had 2 over the 8. This was a bearish cross right here. Had an OSCU cross here, and it went down. And then it's already made the 8 and 21 cross under here. You just can't see it. See there? But the candle's way up here. That's the problem. So, what about 4 hour? Yeah, okay, so now 4 hour, you had a buy. You never had a sell on a 4 hour. So if you're watching 4 hour charts, you're good to go. What happened is, I know what happened. We sped the algo up. When we sped the algo up, this thing took off. So y'all are welcome for that. That's what happens. Interesting. I'll say that. I haven't seen many do this on UMA here. I want to try to find other charts that look similar to this now that I've seen this happen. So thank you very much, Bob. It was extremely helpful showing me this. Let's see. GamePro says send me some Ripple coin, bro. There's zero chance anybody in here is going to send you anything like that. Everybody in here is highly educated on crypto. No one is going to send you anything, my friend. But if you'd like to donate to us, we give all the proceeds away. 100% of everything we get here is donated. I take no money. Anybody who sends a super chat or anybody who buys any of the merch that's in the description of the videos, all that goes to giveaways. I've already gave away 1,000 XRP one time. This next giveaway will be for a coworker of mine that has a family cancer issue and has had 3 rounds of corona, missed a ton of work, and could definitely use a helping hand. So that's where all the money goes if anyone donates. So let's see. Sigur1013. Hi, can you check out Rose? I have position already, but curious if I should increase it. Let's have a look, my friend. Where are you from, Sigur? How you been? And tell us more about where you're from. I'd love to know more. Actually, Frank had been talking about Rose and had shown the chart a few times, and it was really interesting. So let's look deeper here and find as much data we can about it. I'm glad I haven't drunk too much, or else I'd be in trouble. By the way, y'all, if you're new here, you never come by before, drinking game is real simple. If I say the ticker symbol for Ripple coin, the X with the middle letter and then P, if I say that, then I have to take a drink. And I have currently, this is a 14-year-old scotch that's extremely high alcohol content, and I'm down to about here on the bottle. Whew, let me tell you, it's rough. So I'm getting there though. I'm battling through. Next stream will be wine. I got a ton of wine to drink in here. Okay, so it'll be wine next time. Rose has an interesting layout. Frank, if you're in here, can you give me a Rose chart that you got? I want to see what you got too. Rose is almost a sell. It's not. Right now it's in the wait a minute zone. If you don't know what the wait a minute zone is, I'll explain it. Wait a minute zone is in between the 8 and the 21 exponential moving average. When you have a coin, when you have a candle fall into that range in between the green line and the purple line, that's wait a minute. Don't do anything. Just stop and watch. And a good example of that is, I'll show you here, Bitcoin. I'll go side by side for you. I'll put the candles back up here. Good example is Bitcoin, because what happened is it actually went under, but it never stayed under. It hit this zone right here, the wait a minute zone, threw a doji and popped back up, okay? So there's no guarantee that that can't happen here. It could do the same thing. Would I increase my position here? No. And the reason I say no is I would wait till it got up here to increase my position. I would wait on this before it does anything else. This could come down here more. It could actually come below the 21 EMA, exponential moving average, just like Bitcoin did over here. The rule is if you have 2 candles close under that purple line, you get out, or you get out halfway. Now, UMA is a good example of why you may only get out halfway, okay? When you have this green line cross through the purple, which it didn't happen here, that's sell all the way, which is what UMA was before it popped up, okay? Interesting, I know. That's my opinion. If I was in this, I wouldn't add any more to this until I get some confirmation of an add. But it's still a buy, technically, not a sell. Hey Frank, put your chart up here in the chat box, and I'll pull it up. Let's see. Mad Dog 2020 is wine. I know it's wine, damn it. And I done got like $20 or $15 worth of super chat. So if that's the case, I'll buy some Mad Dog and we'll drink Mad Dog and I'll be useless. And it's y'all's fault. Let's see. Is that KSM Darth Faker? UMA just hit $12. Damn, bro. I'm not going to FOMO into this. I don't FOMO. I never do. But I feel like you're going to get a pullback. Let's look and see real quick. No moving averages either. It just went. Man, that's pretty wild, bro. Pretty wild. I'll gladly admit that's some crazy mess there. Cloud was not a buy at all. It just now turned into a not even still not a buy on the cloud. You want this over here. So about the 4 hour. Now 4 hour is a cloud buy in every sense of the term. 4 hour is a cloud buy, obviously. So crazy chart. Not many of them do that. Very interesting. Let's see. Grape Knee High and Mad Dog 2020. Ooh. Perhaps. I like the way that sounds. Bob Mo, $13. Yeah, I'm watching it now, my man. Oh my God, are you nuts? I was looking for the news. I couldn't find any reason for this jump. Yeah, another thing about me, Bob. You may have never stopped in here, but so here's how I do it. I'm different than most other people who do crypto. I could care less about the news. What we've found is usually the chart moves without the news, and then the news reports the chart. That happens almost every single time. I don't care about the news. I don't care about who runs the company. I don't care about what partnerships they've made. I don't care whose company owner's wife had sex with what celebrity. I don't care. What I care about is whether the chart is a buy or a sell. Now, it doesn't always work out, but 75% of the time it does, okay? And if you can give me 75% odds that I can play 75% odds, I'm going to break the house, okay? I'm going to break Vegas with 75% odds. They don't always work out, and this is a good example of why it doesn't always work out, because UMA was not a daily buy before it did this. DNT was. DNT never quite became a sell before it went up, which is really interesting, okay? So, either way, keep that in mind if you ever stop back by again. We'd love to have you come and stay and hang out more. I do this completely different than most other crypto people on purpose. I apply Forex and stock principles to the crypto charts on purpose because I'm 100% technical analysis. I will not do anything but technical analysis. I don't guess at price. That's just the way I do it. I don't do bullshit at all. No hopium allowed. I actually have shirts down there in the description of the video and the Redbubble site that are no FOMO shirts and no hopium shirts. It actually says dare to keep kids off FOMO and hopium. Just like an old dare drug shirts. So anyway, full 100% technical analysis all the time. You're not going to get that from most other crypto people. Most other crypto people are going to give you hopium, or they're going to give you news articles that someone from Twitter made up, or they're going to give you some magical happiness number, and I'm not going to do it. Just not. What could UMA do? In my opinion, it can come all the way up here to this $16, because that's the next resistance zone, isn't it? Right here. Have at it. Yeah, it's the same thing. I mean, it's possible. What's the percentage on that? I mean, that's another 100% basically to get up over support right here and do what others have done. And let me show you what I mean, Bob. This same move right here has happened on other charts, and I'll show you real quick. Here is XLM, same move. All right, same move, down and up over support, and then it caught support and held on to it. See that? Same move there. Ripple coin just did the same move. You draw you a box right here. Bam, same move, down, up, on top of support. We have multiple other charts look similar. Kava, same move. I don't have enough data on this one. Bracava, but it did the same move. I have another chart somewhere else with the same date on it. OMG, same move, down and up on top of support. KNC, same move, June 19 up on top of support. And now what you're seeing is UMA has the ability to do that. I'll give you another one, Bob. Algorand here. Algorand has the same setup. June 19, down and up on top of support. And this is 1,000% to this box right here. It's the same move we've seen a lot of other coins do. I'm pretty sure it's going to happen again, okay? So if you can get some money in that, your choice, your money, do your own thing. I'm just one dude trying to make everybody else rich like myself. So hopefully you get rich with me. Rich with us. Everybody in the box does their own thing here, especially the guys in blue. No one makes anybody do anything around here. It's your money. Do what you want. But I show the best charts that I can, and I try to give you the most accurate readings that I can for each chart. Again, 100%, no hopium. If I see a sale, I'll tell you it's a sale. Strengthen your charting experiences, new guys. Join the Telegram. If you like, right there at the bottom right-hand corner, says right there, Carolina Keith _1. That's my Telegram. Feel free to message me if you'd like to join our group where we have the guy who talk nothing. We have a whole group full of guys that do nothing but technical analysis 24/7 nonstop. Any chart, anytime. I don't care whether it's Forex, stocks, charts, for crypto, if we're doing securities, if we're doing commodities, if we'd like to do bonds. I don't care. All these principles apply to every chart. So applying principles makes us money. I don't want to do anything else except making money, okay? All I want to do is make money. Oh, you have seen Algorand. Okay, good. So Algorand and Mithril, same way. Mithril has the same exact look. I'll erase some of these boxes because I go a little crazy sometimes with all my boxes in my brain here. June 19 area, same thing, down and up. Boxes right there at 1,300%. Okay, there you go. Another one that's a possibility. I have 40 more of them that look just like it. Exception to every rule, but 75% is acceptable. When Keith can make it at least 90, I'll pay him for his. Yeah, that's another thing. I don't want anybody's money. Any money you see getting donated in here gets given away. 100% of it. I do this for free. I want everybody to get out the gutter. I lived in the gutter for a long time. It's no way to live. So I'm in a position now where I can give away this information for free. And hopefully people who had to live like me, who had to live like Jeremy, don't have to live like that anymore, okay? So, listen, man, struggling for every dollar, struggling to figure out how you're going to eat, struggling to figure out how the hell you're going to survive is no way to live. Us crypto guys are in a position where we don't have to deal with that anymore, all right? So, let's make the best of it. Let's make the best of it. Yeah, I pay Keith in pocket lamp. I can't even give Keith cash to fix my shit, so I doubt he'd take it from you. True enough. Jeremy Beard there in the comments section is my cousin. I won't take any money from him either. Fixed his heat. I'm not trying to get no money from that bullshit. I do heat and air, by the way, for a living. This is what I do for my side hustle. I do this also 14 hours a day. I chart the entire time I'm at work. I chart the entire time I'm at home. It annoys the hell out of everybody I live with. Sorry, I'm here to make money. 60 guys and 3 girls. That's what's in the group, correct. It's a really good ratio. Literally hundreds of messages you get to read through every few hours. Yep, it will piss you off. You cannot learn in the Telegram group unless you just don't want to. That's pretty good. Poverty sucks, what Frank said. That's no joke, dude. Poverty blows. It's a sausage fest in there. Another thing about me, y'all, I joke just as much as I chart. Don't take me too seriously. You can take my chart seriously, but don't take anything else too seriously, okay? The MLU indicator here, listen, that's on y'all if y'all want to take it serious or not. Whatever, bro. The MLU indicator, just go against it every time. It's really awesome of you. Glad I found your channel. I haven't dumped my Ripple coin yet, but I believe I really want to, and that's a good move. Yeah, I'll show you that too, Bob. I actually sold mine already. I'm 100% out of it now. Yeah, here you go. So my number one buy and sell signal, is the 8 and the 21 EMA. And when I see a downward cross like this, I sell. I don't care if it's stock in guaranteed money. If I can increase my bag size by selling and rebuying, I'm going to do it. And right here, we had a clear sell signal on the daily chart. Obvious sell. It also tried to break the bottom of the channel here, which I didn't want to see happen. Has it pulled back a little bit? Yep. It's catching some support right here from this red candle you see. The 50 moving average is just underneath here. I kind of feel like we're going to hit that 50 at some point. So I don't think we're going to pop up here and go moving up anytime soon. Is it time to sell? I think you already missed your sale. God, I said it. Oh, man. All right, Darth. God dang it. You see, all right, Bob. Also, what I do, anytime I say Ripple Coin's name, I gotta take a shot, bro. Damn it, man. Bingo was his name-o. I hate you guys sometimes. Oh, boy. The interesting thing is the scotch has a really good flavor. But God almighty, I already learned my lesson on this last time. I ain't playing no games. I'm hydrating. Oh. All right, here we go. I've sold all my Ripple coin. I'm officially out of it. Jerks. I feel like, you see this arrow I have drawn here? I feel like this arrow is going to move us sideways. I can't buy this until I see some sort of buy signal. I will sleep down to the 4 hour to look for buys and sales. Again, even if I went to the 4 hour, I don't have a buy signal here yet. I want this to get up over this green 8 EMA for 2 candles, and then I'll buy. I just haven't gotten it yet. In fact, it's underneath this channel, which is no bueno for me at all. If I see something other than that, I'll let you know. I'll be glad to let everybody know. But I shy away when I see stuff like this. There's just too many other charts that look better for me to get married to this coin. I don't want to get married to any coin. I have zero emotions when it comes to trading. Zero. I don't care. I will trade whatever looks bad. Bob said my bad. It's all good, bro. It's my fault. I shouldn't have said it. Even my ex, was laughing. We brought Bob in on the slide. Bob is our rogue officer. He's undercover. Y'all had this set up. That's what it is. Bob is just Darth's second account. That's what it is. He just set me up. Oh, man. I can't do any more. I'm done for the night. I'll just owe y'all shots. I'll just owe you. I can't do any more. Oh, God. That was a rogue assassin born identity style, they said. All right. Anybody got any other charts they want me to look at or that we'd like to pull up? Because it's getting pretty late, and I like to stick to 2 hours. At 2 hours, I think that's pretty good because we start at 11 p.m. every Tuesday and Thursday, and then we try to stop. Okay. You guys are fun. Well, thank you, Bob, bro. We do this. Look, it's. There's nothing wrong with being lighthearted and having some fun on these things. We can be serious and make money, and I'm all about being serious and making money at the same time. There's nothing wrong with joking and having fun, in my opinion, at the same time. We do this drinking game on purpose because we don't want to get emotional about one coin. We used to be, we're not anymore. Mithril is still trying, isn't it? Ooh, that's an ugly 4-hour candle. Ooh. Right in the dick. It better come on. I don't like that. Oh, it's on the neckline. Looky there. Right on the neckline. All right. Well, let's just see what happens. It's a buy. I'm not worried about it yet. The green line is my buy line. See what happens. The Telegram is this amount of fun all day, every day. It really is, dude. We have a ball in there. Let's see. I don't care if I lose $200 on the trade. I hate it. Hey, listen. We're on the same boat, brother. So, oh, Forest Hills. Forest Plus, I mean. Let's go. Let's go. Ultimate shitcoining over here making money. I'm happy about that. YFII. Okay. YFII. USD. All right, so it looks like, boy, this thing is consolidating hard. Resistance. Still not a buy. We're still waiting here. What's the cloud look like? Oh, it's under the cloud. It's going to be a no right here on YFII for now. We need to see a little bit more. I need to see just a little more. It does have some support. Oh, yeah. Okay, YFI is going to be a no, but I want to look at band one more time. Here's what I was talking about earlier. Check this out. I know I said I wouldn't pull them up, but let's do it. Look at here, okay? This is interesting to me. Even though it may be a sale short term, look, the 50 and the 200 are right here together. The moving averages, they're right here together. The 100 is pinching down, but these are coming up, and the price is over top of all this. So I feel like even if this is down, this is short term because it's got all this support here, okay? That's a lot of stuff for it to try to push through at one time. I just don't see that happening. I mean, it has kind of rode the 200 up here, and that's okay. You know what I mean? Let's just be careful with it, but something crazy could happen. And I could be wrong, but I don't think that's going to fall through that. You know what I mean? I just don't feel like that's going to plummet and fall down. You know what I mean? It feels like it's got good support there. Bob, you weren't in here when I started the stream, but I told everybody I would just do the 821 EMA and the cloud. And that was all I was going to use for the whole stream. And I've done pretty good with it. Not the whole thing, but I've done decent with it. So, and even Band is trying to pull back here. Joke a lot more if you have some security. Let's make a Dreamville coin, bro. That's a pretty good idea. I'm all about that Dreamville. I was bumping J. Cole today while I was working. Quote unquote working. Ooh, SRM. Good call, EJ. See, this is what I mean, y'all. We got guys watching the charts all the time. Every time we see a buy, we call it out. And here you go. Might this be breaking? It might. What say you, cloud? Still under the cloud. I want to see it move up a little bit more here. If it can get up over the cloud, that'd be great. Give me some confirmation. We do have 2 over the 8. It looks like the 8's trying to cross into the 21. I like it. Wine chain's up 2%. Algo's still fighting itself. Whatever. Bands will make it dance. Bands will make it dance. All right. Anybody got any other stuff? Other than that, y'all, I'm super beat. Yeah, I've already done H bar. It's still floating. Yeah, Zill's up 2%. It's listen, this thing's gone. That's over 886, isn't it? She's over 886. Oh boy, Zill is gone. This is going up here to 0402. It's going up here. She's done. You can cook this turkey. Who wants to put some money on it? What kind of bet we pulling real quick? Who's trying to put some money on it? Huh? Who's trying to put some money on Zeal? Who's trying to lose some money real quick? Because this is moving. This ain't going to stop until it gets up there. One of them 3 boxes. Because I don't think y'all want to lose money tonight. I don't know. Not on no bet where I'm right. It's a good thing that MLU indicator is telling us to buy. Yeah, the MLU indicator is a massive buy right here. Massive buy. One K says Zeal goes down. Ooh. One rack says Zeal goes down. Down to what? Bro, Zilliqa is one big inverse head and shoulders too, by the way, so be careful. That's all I'm going to say. This whole chart is one big head and shoulders. It's one big head and shoulders. XLM. All right, XLM is actually a little ahead of some, but behind others. It only recently got up over this June 19 support zone here. Move it up a touch right there. We had this really nice doji candle, which made me think it was going to pop up and go. And it hasn't. It actually came down. So maybe we hit this 8 EMA again, or we move sideways and move up. But either way, it's not a sell on the weekly, and it's thinking about being a sell on the daily, but it's in the wait zone. It's in the wait a minute zone. Just stop and wait a minute. Also, Bob, if you'd like, on the channel description, if you go to the other videos in the channel, I have full-on 100% instructional videos that teach everything that I use. Most of the guys in the chat have already watched them all. It teaches you every different strategy that I use to trade with. I use some other ones that I just don't talk about, but all the ones that I've gotten good at and all the ones that I've taught everyone else with are in there. Anyone else who would like to watch them, please feel free. Y'all go share this to everyone you can, please. The more people we get watching, the more money I can give away. Again, I don't want anybody's money. I give it all away. The more subscribers we get, the more outreach we get, the more money we can get to give, okay? We'll be able to feel good about something. Instead of only making gains, we'll be giving them away too. So anyway, I think I'm about done. I appreciate everybody stopping in and watching. I think we had up to 22 at one point. I don't really care if we have 5. So long as I'm helping one person, I'll be happy. So we'll do this again on Thursday. We'll reassess everything again. Till then, I'll see everybody next time. Y'all be good. Catch you in the Telegram. You need me, holler at me. Be good. I'm out. I've already cut the algo meter all the way off.